Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how to turn on notifications on Hopper. For this, simply go ahead and open settings on your mobile device. Then tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for apps. Then tap on the first option. Here you'll see many options on your screen. Simply tap on manage apps. Then once again tap on the search bar at the top and search for Hopper. Here you will see you can control the app's behavior. So simply scroll down until you find an option called notifications. Tap on it and simply tap on show notification. And this is how to turn on notifications of Hopper. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.